Welcome back to the channel, guys. If this is your first time watching these videos, be sure to click the subscribe button, turn notifications on, and leave a comment letting me know what you guys think. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a stencil for your intercooler. So I'm doing an HKS intercooler. The design is relatively straightforward, pretty easy to do, but I've also done like a Greddy intercooler, Trust one, and a couple others as well. It works for most designs. Obviously, the more complicated the design, the more complicated you're gonna have to cut it out. If you want to take a shortcut, you can just go to like a vinyl cutter and get them to make you like a little sticker or like a negative stencil to kind of put on there. But I do it the manual way. Just print it off, cut it out. It's free, it's cheap, and it's relatively easy as long as your design isn't too complicated. Now guys, there is something that I want to talk to you about. Obviously we haven't been uploading as much recently or as frequently. I love making videos, but I only enjoy making videos on certain things, if that makes sense. I don't want to make a video about something that I'm not enjoying and then you guys aren't going to enjoy it and then you guys are going to stop watching our channel. If we don't enjoy making the content, then you guys aren't going to enjoy watching the content. It's not something that I want to put on the internet, you know, to represent myself and represent the brand that we've created. I want to make quality content for you guys, so I promise you we will continue to upload, but it may not be as frequent because I really want to make sure that we're putting out videos that you guys are going to enjoy and that you guys are going to want to watch over and over again. Stuff like this, like I enjoy making stencils for intercoolers. I enjoy doing things like that. So I'm going to film it and make a cool video and hopefully you guys can enjoy that too. YouTube is not our priority, guys. We have a lot of things going on outside the realm of YouTube. I would love to upload videos every day, but the truth is, guys, we don't do things every day that are worth filming. A lot of the stuff is just boring legwork to get the business in order and to get our brand to the next level. But as everything develops and we are able to produce more and more content, I promise you guys we're gonna try our hardest to make some awesome videos for you to enjoy. With that being said, thank you guys for the continued support on our brand, Lowcals. We have made some crazy leaps and bounds in the past little bit and we are about to unveil Cold City Union. This is something we've been working on for quite a long time now. The store's actually been shut down for like 3 to 4 weeks just as we're preparing for this. So we've totally revamped the website. We've added a bunch of new products and we really hope you guys are going to like them and appreciate them. Everything goes live tomorrow at thelocalsmovement.com. Be sure to check that out, guys. December 15th. Once again, thank you for the support, guys. Now let's get on with the video. So my Supra is still sitting on these really ugly wheels. These are the ones that came on my Stagia, which, by the way, guys, I have actually posted my Stagia for sale. I'll put the link in the description to the ad, so if you guys want to check that out. I'm not really in a rush to sell it. It's just like if someone shows up with the money or if someone offers me a really interesting trade, then I'll take it. The Stagia was never going to be a long-term car for me. I really like the car. It's super unique and it's really special, but it's just not the car for me, guys. At one point in my life, I really wanted a Stagia. Now that I have one, I feel like that portion of my life has been satisfied and it's time to move on to something else that I would enjoy. Not really sure what I'm gonna get next after this, but I promise you guys that it's gonna be something that I really want to build and it's gonna be something that I'm actually gonna enjoy putting money into. Stagia is an awesome car, it's just not the one for me. So yeah, like I said, Supra's sitting on these wheels. Not really sure what the wheel setup is gonna be like for the Supra this year. Let me know what you guys think. Should I mix up the wheel setup on the Supra or keep it the same? Or should I rock these?
Those are fucking sick, bro.
Now comes the time where I need to show you guys something that you've probably all been waiting for. A lot of you guys have seen this post on my Instagram. At first I wasn't really sure how I felt about it. The more and more I look at it, the more I like it. Boom, there it is, guys. TRD wing on the Supra. Pretty stoked about it. It's not bolted down or anything. It's literally just resting on there to get the look for it and like the feel for it and everything like that. So as I did mention, I will be building my own center blade out of carbon fiber. That'll be through Infamous Design, and then eventually I'll be releasing those to the public. as well as a couple other wing styles. I've already talked about this, guys. I'm not gonna repeat myself too much. Big things coming to this wing. This is not the final form. The one thing that I don't like about the TRD wing is that it looks like every other Supra in the world. I feel like the Supra game is so saturated and that every car looks the same, so I'm really trying to make this thing stand out and look a lot different from the rest of the Supras in the world. When you see my Supra, you're gonna know exactly whose Supra it is, and that's my goal with this car. Lots of nice carbon fiber accents, so I'm gonna carry that trend on, and then I will be either painting or wrapping the wing stands, depending on, you know, my timeline and I guess the budget with the car. But yeah, I'm actually pretty stoked, guys. It looks a lot more aggressive than before. I know this was a really highly requested mod. You guys have probably been asking for it for a long time. So let me know what you guys think about the TRD wing on the Supra. Actually, speaking of Infamous, we have a drop coming up January 2019. We're releasing something really cool, guys. I'm not really gonna tell you what it is yet, but I promise you it will be so worth the wait. We've put a lot of time and effort into this piece, and I'm really stoked to show you guys. So yeah, January 2019. So I remember from doing my truss intercooler that the stencil needs to sit in like the lower 2/3 of this, so right around here. We're just gonna lay our outside template on this. You can count the fins, that's probably the easiest way to do it. So I'm gonna say that I want my design to end maybe right there. This is where you wanna use a little bit of Scotch tape. Alright guys, the trick to this is to spray really light coats, because otherwise if you go too heavy it's going to chip off easier. Shit! That's okay. Alright, 2 coats should be enough. Fairly light. Now we're just gonna remove the stencil. Damn! That's sick. Damn, that is cool, guys. I'm freaking stoked on that. There you have it, guys. HKS intercooler stencil for my 93 Toyota Supra RZ. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think down below, and thank you guys for watching. Once again, Cold City Union drops December 15th, so be sure to check that out, guys. Peace!